Hi students. Now let us see how to calculate area and perimeter of square, rectangle, triangle and also circle. Okay. So here I declare those some variables x, l, b are as integer. First I would like to find out the square area of a square and perimeter. Okay. What is the formula for the area of a square? X into x, whereas the perimeter is 4x. Okay, so I need a one side, so I'm asking you to enter the side for the square that I've stored inside the variable called x. This is square is over. Next, to calculate the rectangle area and to calculate the rectangle area and the perimeter, what is the formula for the rectangle area? L into b, length into breadth, and whereas the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So for this I am taking the two variables, reading the two variables L and B. And also when length and breadth are specified, the triangle area formula is half into L into B. So this I substituted those values inside the just in that formula. After that, to calculate the area of a circle, what I am writing here is pi into r, and perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so what is this pi? Just I am reading here only the variable circle radius r, but what is, where is the this p? This pi is here is a macro. I declared it as a macro, where I declared just before the main function. Okay, I have defined a macro using preprocessor directive hash define. Hash define is a one of the preprocessor directive like hash include. Hash include, which is used for to include the header files. The macros can be defined using the this hash define. Now this, what happens is this pi variable acts as a constant. Okay, when you have written like this, in place of this 3.14, what I can do, I can use this name pi variable name. And when you try to modify this pi inside this programming, if you write here pi equal to something 10, it shows an error because these macro values cannot be modified, they are the constants. Okay, so pi variable is a universal constant, pi value is 3.14. So I don't want to allow the programmer to modify this one. Because of that reason, I declare it as a hash define pi 3.14 macro. But whereas if you declare that like a float variable, float pi equal to 3.14. Okay, now if you modify the pi value equal to something 10, then this is valid because pi is a variable. I can modify this value anywhere in the program, but if I declare like this, you can't modify it. Okay, so that's the difference between the macro value and the variable value. Just run the code. Something inside is fine. Okay, enter the length and breadth 4 and 2, 6 and 2, and enter radius for the circle, something I'm giving 3. So circle area and perimeter of a circle printed.